And my three friends were the main dancers.
All right, all right. So let's do the 27th question. Mr. Bhayu, Raisha, keep your camera on. Annie,
So,
stop eating finger food, please.
sir, what is
Accidentally sent to you, sir.
Send again to ma'am.
how many of the following figures are symmetrical?
Aisha, your mic is on.
Sorry.
Ma'am, please check my answer.
Mine also.
They're symmetrical in all lines.
Symmetrical means beta, अगर एक भी line of symmetry हो, it means symmetrical. Mr. Bhayu and Osama, send to ma'am, please. Mr. Bhayu, where is your answer? And Raj, you need to keep your camera on.
Okay.
Raj and Dr. Aisha.
So,
All right, I'll ask one by one. So, is the first triangle symmetrical? Those who got it wrong can answer. Is the first
Yes,
triangle?
sir.
So, Annie, is the second figure symmetrical?
Yes, sir.
yes.
So, Adiraj, is the third figure symmetrical?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is.
Dr. Aisha, is the fourth U symmetrical?
Yes, sir.
Roti Didi, is the T symmetrical?
Yes,
Sir, but
sir.
how about is symmetric?
Which one?
Sir, the
Which one are you asking?
T.
T beta is very simple. जैसा राइट में है वैसे ही लेफ्ट में है। जैसा राइट में वैसे ही लेफ्ट में है।
सर हम सेंटर लाइन को डिवाइड कर सकते हैं।
यस बेटा डिवाइड कर सकते हैं।
Sir,
So,
I forgot.
Annie, is this symmetrical?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Dr. Aisha, is this symmetrical?
No, sir.
Yes, beta, it is.
It
If I
is.
cut it like this. Adiraj, is the next one symmetrical? So the correct answer is 8. All are symmetrical. Next one is a tricky question. Very, very, very tricky question, guys. Try it.
Sir, is it a kids question?
Yes, it will be a good solution.
Okay, sir. What?
Perimeter of figure as in both together or only one triangle?
Beta, the length of the boundary. Boundary कैसी होती है? Like this. उसमें inside की shapes count नहीं होती. Inside की lines count. This is the boundary. So you have to calculate the sum of this.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Okay.
That's my big hint to you guys.
Hmm. I don't know.
The eye is joined.
Mr. Adhiraj, camera on.
Uh,
Nobody will get it correct.
Adhiraj and Aisha, beta, I told not to switch off your cameras.
Sir, Aisha is a Buddhu auntie.
Nobody has gotten it correct till now.
Roti Didi gets it right.
रोटी दीदी कितनी रोटियां खाती है?
Very good, Roti Didi. Ma'am, Roti Didi gets a kidzo. And Modi ji, beta, time is up now. I'm explaining.
He'll get an anda ka panda.
So see kids, if I remove this line from here, like if I'll be removing this line, can I remove this line from here and add it here? Can I do that? For finding the perimeter, can I remove this line and I add
Yes,
it
sir.
here? Now
Yes, sir.
similarly, can I remove this line from here and join it here?
So,
I will do the same thing from the other side. I will remove this line and join it here. Same thing, I will do it from here. I will remove this line and join it here. Now, what is the advantage? I have got, the advantage is I have got one full length. What is the length of this? It's written here, it is 5. Do you agree, guys?
yes.
Now, this is also equal to 5. Then this is also equal to 5. And this is also equal to 5. So there is no need to count the side boundaries. I have got full lengths, which is equal to how much? 5, 5, 5, 5, which is equal to 20. Do we understand? Should I explain once again?
No, sir.
I will explain once again. See kids, मेरा भी फिगर ऐसा है, ठीक है? अब मुझे बीच की जो लाइंस है वो काउंट नहीं करनी, पर बाहर की सारी लाइंस काउंट करनी है. बट मुझे इंडिविजुअली अगर मैं देखूं, आई डोंट नो द मेजरमेंट ऑफ फ्यू लाइंस. सो व्हाट एम आई गोइंग टू डू? मैं जो टॉप लाइन है इरेज करी, बीच में फिट कर दी. बॉटम लाइन इरेज की, बीच में फिट कर दी. साइड लाइन इरेज की, बीच में फिट कर दी. साइड लाइन इरेज की, बीच में फिट कर दी. अब क्या हो गया? आई हैव गॉट 4 लाइंस ऑफ 5 सेंटीमीटर. माई कैलकुलेशन बिकम्स वेरी वेरी सिंपल. 5 इंटू 420. अगर मैं ऐसा नहीं करता तो मुझे क्या करना पड़ता? मुझे इसकी लेंथ प्लस इसकी लेंथ प्लस इसकी लेंथ प्लस इसकी लेंथ प्लस दिस प्लस दिस प्लस दिस प्लस दिस फाइंड आउट करनी पड़ती. The problem with this question is, ये तो मुझे पता है, this is 2, this is 2, this is 2, this is 2, but I don't know how much this and this and this and this and this and this, ये इनकी लेंथ कितनी होगी नहीं पता. But I know the total length, ये 5 है. तो इसके लिए मैं क्या करता हूं? मैं ऊपर से डिलीट कर देता हूं और मैं यहां ज्वाइन कर. अब क्लियर हुआ गाइस? सिमिलरली मैंने नीचे से डिलीट कर दिया और मैंने कहा ज्वाइन कर दिया? Here. So that the same thing I will do on the right and left also. So I will add 5, 5 and the right and the top 2 lines like this one also 5, 5. So 5 into 4, 20. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Seriously guys, understood?
Yes, sir.
Excuse me,
Okay.
sir.
Yes,
Sir, I did the 5 minus 3.
that is
Sorry,
also
5
fine, but
minus.
that is also fine कि अगर आप 5 minus 2 कर दो, तो जैसे ये पूरा 5 है और ये 2 है, तो ये दोनों 3 बचेंगे. ऐसे किया आपने? ये देखो ये 2 है, अगर इसमें से ये 2 माइनस कर दो तो दिस प्लस दिस 3 बचेगा.
Yes.
सिमिलरली दिस प्लस दिस भी 3 बचेगा. सिमिलरली दिस प्लस दिस भी 3 बचेगा, दिस प्लस दिस भी 3 बचेगा. देन यू ऐड प्लस 2 प्लस 2 प्लस 2 प्लस 2, ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं हम. ऑल राइट, so do whichever method. Should I explain any Roti Didi's method also?
No, sir.
Should I explain, kids?
yes, sir.
Once I will
Yes,
explain.
sir.
See kids, pay attention. Once I will explain. So we can do by this method also. What Roti Didi has done is, she is saying this is 2. तो इस पूरे में से अगर मैं 2 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दूं यहां से, तो these 2 का मेजर लेंथ मुझे कितना बचेगा? 3. Do we agree?
Yes, sir.
सिमिलरली अगर मैं ये माइनस कर दूं, तो इन दोनों का लेंथ भी मेरे पास 3 बचेगा. सो सेम थिंग, इफ आई सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस, तो इन दोनों का लेंथ 3 बचेगा, इन दोनों का लेंथ 3 बचेगा. So then we will add 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. I will get to 12. And I will add this 2 because ये perimeter का part है, this 2 and this 2. So I will get 2 into 4, I will add 8, I will get 20. Understood Roti Didi's method also? So very good Roti Didi. We go to the next question. Now all the questions are very tricky. 28, 29, 30, all are very, 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 very tricky.
No, sir,
To the
this is,
29th one.
this is not right.
But it's less trickier than the previous one. This question.
Sir, this is also kids question.
I don't know. Let's see how
So
many
we
get
have
it.
done this, I guess.
No.
In last.
Last
sir,
class?
last.
I think yes. I think when you were in grade 3 for level 2 preparation, I must have made you do this.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Anna, you qualified for level 2 now last year?
Yes, sir.
Annie, did you qualify for level 2 last year?
No, sir. Sir, but we have done this question in the class, I remember.
I must have, made you do. Osama, did we do this question last year?
Yes, sir.
I think so, sir.
Okay. Oh, I get it. This was in one of the papers, level 2 papers.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
64. 64.
अरे डॉक्टर आयशा थोड़ा सा अगर आप और ट्राई करोगे ना मे बी यू विल गेट इट थोड़ा सा और लॉजिक यूज करना है और ट्राई करना है और एफर्ट देना है ओके आयशा थोड़ा
I
सा
got done.
पेशेंस रखना है बेटा इतनी जल्दी नहीं करना है कि जल्दी से आपने आंसर भेज दिया एंड गेम ओवर अथिराज सेम गोज फॉर यू टू
Sir, I sent the wrong. Sir, I sent the wrong answer.
Sir, I didn't even understand
Sir,
it.
can I send again?
so then you have to try doing it beta
Sir,
try
can I send again?
you can you know the rule you can Osama bin Laden
Hi.
Aisha whom are you talking to beta
Sir, to my Didi.
why beta class is going on na don't talk right now please tell her to leave the room beta
Where she is gone.
Sir, can I take one chance?
beta you know अगर आप भेजना है भेज दो you will not be eligible for kids if there is time ma'am will check so Annie keep your camera on Miss Annie don't turn off your camera Miss Annie
Sir, she's not in the meeting. She left.
she's in the meeting
Got disconnected. But I have sent my answer. I was not checking.
send again Roti Didi da
Sir, I have sent. Sir, I have sent it now. Anna, what are you doing? Anna, what are you doing?
know what? Roti Didi, I'll explain now, beta. So Osama gets a kidzu. So kids, this is 32. So how much will be this?
32.
32. 32 beta, opposite side equal होंगे ना?
Yes, sir.
Should I show it by drawing a line?
No, sir.
So then how much perimeter I am left with? So I am left with 24 perimeter, correct? Now this 24 perimeter will be divided in two parts. Do you agree, guys?
Yes, sir.
So one part will be 24 divided by 2, which is equal to 12. So this is 12, this is 12. Do we agree?
Yes, sir.
Now this 12 again will be divided into 4 parts. Because they have asked the breadth of each small rectangle.
My mistake was I didn't read.
So 12 divided by 4 gives me 3.
I did not read each.
So should I explain this question again? I'll explain it one more time. This is 32. So this will be 32. Now how much perimeter is left? 88 minus 64, 24 perimeter is left. That will be divided into two breadths. 24 divided by 2 gives me 12. 12 will be divided between 4 smaller breadths, which will give me 3. So last question is also tricky. Try it, kids. Rida, beta, stop talking and start doing. Again, Rida. क्या problem है, Rida? So kids, we will do a lot of practice of perimeter after syllabus completion. For now, we'll just going to finish with this chapter. But after that, we are going to do a lot of practice of perimeter. Adhiraj, I can't see you, beta.
Sir,
Miss any camera on. Adhiraj, you tell me if you are not listening to me even after 5 times, what should I do? Tell me, Adhiraj. You give me a solution. So option 1, should I call your mom? Option 2, should I remove you from the meeting? Tell me better.
Isn't there any option
Excuse
3
me, sir.
that is start listening?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, is the 12 centimeter whole line?
12 centimeter, beta. I think will be this one. This much. I will just check also. Yeah, 12 centimeter is this much only. So kids, ये जो red line है, ये 12 centimeter.
You just told my mistake.
Dr. Aisha, what will be the measure of the blue line?
Sir, first I send my answer, then I by mistakenly type something on. 5 centimeter.
No, beta, it will not be 5. Rida, what will be the length of this blue line?
Sir, can I tell?
Yeah?
17
So
centimeter.
can I tell?
No, it's not 17.
9.
So can I?
It is
So
9.
can I?
It is 9 because this is a square. This will be 9. Understood,
can I
Aisha?
Sir, but there is written 5 centimeter.
बेटा 5 उन्होंने ये वर्टिकल लाइन को लिखा है.
Oh.
ये 5 है आपका. Okay?
But sir,
Yes, Anna, what you want to say?
ma'am, sir, but if the 5 is the 1, then what is for 4?
4 is this one. Understood, Anna? Rida, you solved it yourself. Mama helped.
Sir, I solved it myself.
Okay. Let's see. So, Dr. Aisha, what will be the dark green side?
Sir, the dark green side will be 9 centimeter.
Yes, very good.
Sir, but how do we know that it is a square? It is said
Because it is written, it is made up of a rectangle, a square, and a triangle. This is a triangle, this is a rectangle, this is a square.
Oh. Sir, my mom came and she said, "Do it yourself." Then I thought if one side is right of a square, the other would be on.
Okay, so now we have to find the missing side also. So first of all, I will find the bottom missing side. So other than Aisha has already given few answers. Anna, what is this side?
So 7 centimeter.
7 centimeters. So Anna, one more question to you.
Yes.
What is the length of the pink side? This one.
Which means 18 centimeter.
18, very good. So how do we know it's 18? Because this is
The
equal to
4
4 plus 9 plus 5. So Adhiraj and Bhayu, look here. This line is equal to 4 plus 9 plus 5. This line is equal to 4 plus 9 plus 5. Bhayu, ये बात समझ में आई?
Yes, sir.
Why? Because if I will bring this here, it will be equal to, let me try bringing it here. ये 4 इधर आ गया. This 9 comes here. And then this green comes here. So this pink is equal to 4 plus 9 plus 5. So let me write it down. This is equal to 4. This is equal to 9 and this is equal to 5. So total it will be how much? 18. So then we have to add 18 plus 7 plus 4 plus 9 plus 15 plus 12 plus 9 plus 5. Remember, the inside boundaries will not be added. So whatever is inside will not be added. So I will try to add the 9s first. So this is 18 becomes 27. This becomes 36. So I have added the 9s first. Then I will add the rest of the numbers. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 12 is 24. 24 plus 7 is 31. 31 plus 4 is 35. And what did I miss? I missed something. So let's count it. So 7 plus 5 I got 12. 12 plus 12 I got 20. And 24 plus 4 I got 28. 28 plus 7 35. 35 plus 15 is 50. No, I did not miss anything. It is 86 centimeters. Got it. Now, what is the use of, changing and circling with another pencil? Beta, it's easier for me to check because there are a lot of numbers. If by chance I miss any number, I can just check the blue ones or I can just check the pink ones. So always if you can divide it into parts and then, do the totaling. So have we understood Annie, Anna, Bhayu, Naughty Boy, Motiji, Dr. Aisha?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Adhiraj, have we understood?
Yes, sir.
This chapter is over. And ma'am, please give a kidso to Roti Didi, Osama and Rida.
so can I take a break?
So you want to take a break, kids? Let's take a 4 minutes break. We'll resume after that.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I'm eating pancakes.
Triangles.
So now what do we have to do?
We have to do maths better.
Oh, what in maths?
Questions. We'll do questions.
Which questions?
We'll do interesting questions in maths.
Sir, can we do?
Convert denominator to 28.
Sir, I don't know how to do it. I forgot.
Sir, I also
I,
forgot.
I gave a worksheet also.
Sir, my mother did not give it to me.
Aisha, keep your camera on. I will explain better. Let everyone answer, then I'll explain. Let me see how many of you remember. This is a very, 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 very important concept.
I think I remember, but I don't. First one. 3/7.
Sir, what happened? I did not do anything. Oh.
So only Osama and Roti Didi remembers.
So, because I have forgot the concept.
Sir, I said
So I assume other kids have forgotten.
Yes, sir.
So Dr. Aisha, which number I'll multiply 7 with to get 28 in the denominator?
Sir, can I tell?
No.
Sir, with 7 or with 3?
With 7 beta denominator में 28 चाहिए ना, so we will multiply with 7 only.
Sir,
So I will
4.
multiply with 4 by 4 because as per rule of fractions, if I multiply something with denominator, I have to multiply with numerator also. My answer would be 12 by 28. Understood?
So can you explain one more time?
Let's see which number I'll multiply 7 with to get 28 in the denominator. 4.
4.
So I multiply 3 into 4, 12, 7 into 4, 28. As easy as that.
Okay, sir, understood.
Easiest question of the day. And you are asking me.
Sir, very, very easy.
Easiest question of the day, guys.
No, sir.
Yes.
Convert Terminator to 24.
Okay, sir. So the number.
Convert Terminator to 24.
So is it denominator or terminator?
I just explained you.
Sir, I was disconnected from the meeting.
I will explain the previous question, Anna, to you. See, beta, I had to get 28 in the denominator. So which number will I multiply 7 with to get 28 in the denominator? 4. So I multiplied with 4 by 4. I got 12 by 28.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I got it.
So Dr. Aisha, this time am I getting the answer or no?
Yes, sir.
And sir, ma'am, please. Sir, you didn't change the name for Ragini ma'am to Ragi ma'am. I think probably forgot.
Sir, can you give C1?
Dr. Aisha, Rida, what's my answer?
1 minute.
Rida, what's my answer?
1 minute.
Anna, you can try once again also. Anna and Rita, beta, this sheet is very important. If you have not solved it yet, please solve it before the next class.
Sir, solved it. Not recent. Sir, I cannot understand.
We cannot understand. So Anna and Dr. Aisha, listen. Which number you will multiply with 8 to get 24 in the denominator?
Sir, 3. 3.
3. So just multiply with 3 by 3. Your answer will be 21 by 24.
Sir, I plus the
More question I am giving you. So Aisha and Dr. Aisha and Anna, just you have to convert to denominator 24. Speak the answer, guys.
Sir, can I send in the chat?
Yes, Rita. Dr. Aisha and Anna, you can speak your answer.
Sir, it's just a minute. Sir, 20 by 24.
Aisha, what's your answer?
20 by 24 only.
So which number did you multiply, Aisha?
Sir, I multiplied it by 4.
Say beta 4 by 4. You multiplied it by 4 by 4. So you got 20 by 24. Okay. Now guys, I want to check if you remember the LCM concept or not. So I will give you a few questions. Find LCM of 8 and 6.
Oh.
Put it in the chat.
Sir,
Sir, I didn't remember this.
Sir, I forgot the full form only.
Lowest common multiple
Lowest.
or
Sir,
least
cent.
common multiple.
Sir, cent.
Remember it also.
You have to find the lowest number that comes in the table of 8 and 6.
Lowest number.
Yes.
Table of 8 and 6. Sir, that I know.
Sir, 4 and 2.
Let us send in the chat. Whatever you want to say, send in the chat.
Sir, we have to write only. Sir, we have to write the thing. Sir, multiple and
Yes, beta, we have to write the multiples. If you cannot do it orally, you write the multiples and then do it. Adhiraj, Putti Didi, Dr. Aisha.
Sir, how to give the answer? I know the multiple, but I don't know how to give it.
Then beta, you will get a cross if you don't know how to give it. So Roti Didi and Dr. Aisha. See kids, LCM means multiples, multiple means table. So let's do the table 8, 16, 24, 32, 40 and blah blah blah. So table of 6, 6, 12, 18, 24. So since I got 24, my LCM is 24. You remember now kids?
Common factor.
Remember now?
Yes.
And Mr. Bayu,
Sir, I
so LCM is always more than or equal to the numbers. It cannot be lesser than. आपका आंसर 6 से 8 से लेस नहीं हो सकता. It can be equal to 8 or more than 8. So kids, this is not done. You have to remember the concepts. And you can do it after some practice. You can do it orally also.
sir, it is the most.
It is the easiest concept possible.
Sir, we have to only send the multiple.
We have to just send the LCM. जो भी सबसे छोटा हो उनका लोएस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल, सबसे छोटा मल्टीपल जो हो.
Cents.
And I am telling you from time to time, after some practice you can find it orally also.
Cents.
For smaller numbers like these you can find it orally.
Cents.
Sir, I'm not able to open the chat.
I will send you a hi, your chat will open. Hi Dr. Aisha.
Sir, it's not opening. When I tap here to chat, then.
So Dr. Aisha, keep your answer ready. I'll ask you to send your answer. So Roti Didi, Annie, Osama, where is my answer?
Sent.
Roti Didi and Annie.
Sir, I have sent. Yes.
So Dr. Aisha, what's your answer?
Sir, 24.
24 is correct. So it is the multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36. But I know 24 already comes in the table of 8. So 8, 16, 24. So my LCM would be nothing but 24.
Sir, I did it already.
Yes, you can do it orally.
Sir, I have also done by orally.
So find the LCM of 8 and 5. God bless, God bless.
Thank you.
Sensor.
पर खुल ही नहीं रहा चैट.
स्पीक कर दो आंसर.
Answer. Oh, my answer is
मोदी जी ने नहीं भेजा.
45.
45 is wrong. Beta see, 45 does not come in the table of 8, but 40 comes in the table of 5.
Oh, sir. 45.
Very clear one.
So kids, before I started the question, I knew the answer is going to be 8 multiplied by 5, 40. Now, how I did know that the answer will be 8 into 5, 40? Does anyone remember?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me, Anna. How did I know that my answer will be going to be 40?
Sir, because 8 fives are also 40 and 5 eights are also 40.
No, beta, no. So ऐसे तो यहाँ पे 12 8 कुछ और होना चाहिए था, 96 होना चाहिए था. Because anyone else knows the reason?
Sir,
Wait, anyone else other than Osama? No. रोटी दीदी आपको याद है कि नहीं?
I'll take 1 minute. 1 second.
Okay, I'm giving 1 second.
one second is done.
Google and the sea.
6.
So
Roti Didi, do you remember the answer?
Then I tell you. Sir, no.
So I will have to, if I get a correct answer from Osama, I will have to give him a kidzu. Because only he's the one who remembers.
Sir, because 5 is a prime number and it does not come in the table of 5. So we will multiply 8 and 5.
No, beta, it's not the exact reason. Because 8 and 5 are co-primes. What are co-primes? Co-primes are numbers. Co-primes are numbers whose HCF is 1. मतलब उनके बीच में कोई भी कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं होता. तो अगर मेरे पास दो नंबर्स हैं जिनके बीच में कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं है, तो then their LCM will be their product. Then LCM will be their product. Will be their product. For example, 8 and 9. 8 and 9 में कोई भी कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं है except for 1. तो फिर इनका जो LCM होगा क्या होगा? 8 multiplied by 9, which is equal to 72. One more example. 6 and 11. LCM will be what? 66. But if you see this, so if you see the previous question, 12 and 24, 12 and 8, they were not co-primes because उनका common factor 4 था, इसलिए मैंने उनको multiply नहीं किया. If I see 8 and 6, उनका highest common factor is 2, इसलिए I couldn't multiply them. But if you see 11 and 6, there is no common factor. If you see 8 and 9, there is no common factor. So Adi, everyone will give me one example of coprimes. Let's start from Da. Da, give me one example of coprime.
Didn't understand.
Okay, Osama, let's start with you.
Sir, 6 and 7.
6 and 7. 6 and 7 का common factor 1 होता है, HCF 1 होता है. So, their LCM will be 42. Any, your chance.
Sir, I want to say I'm not being able to understand.
Okay, next. Bhayu, your chance. दो numbers जिनका HCF 1 हो.
Sir, 11 and 12.
11 and 12, very good. So their LCM will be the product of 11 and 12. Roti Didi,
Sir, 13 and 14.
13 and 14, okay. Annie,
Sir, 5 and 6.
5 and 6, okay. Everyone is speaking consecutive numbers. Dr. Aisha,
9 and 8.
सब consecutive numbers बोल रहे हैं 9 and 8. Correct है, but कुछ और भी बोल सकते हो. मोदी जी,
Sir, 13 and 11.
11 and 13,
11.
yes. Zoom user,
Sir, 5 and 11 also.
5 and 11 also. Rida, अब आपको समझ आया HCF 1?
23 and 12.
Yes.
23 and 12 also, yes. Very good.
Sir, 2 and 5.
2 and 5 also. Yes, Rida, क्या बोल रहे हो आप?
How is it 23 and 12?
बेटा 23 के फैक्टर्स होंगे 1 और 23. 12 के फैक्टर्स होंगे 1 2 3 4 6 12. तो कोई भी कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं है एक्सेप्ट 1. तो थोड़ा सा देखना पड़ता है हमें. देखो बेटा, दो इवन नंबर्स को प्राइम नहीं हो सकते. तो 1 नंबर ऑड होगा, 1 इवन नंबर होगा. देन यू हैव टू चेक वो किसी और के टेबल में तो नहीं आता, कॉमन टेबल में तो नहीं आता. जैसे इफ आई टेक 3 and 9, 3 and 9 आर नॉट को प्राइम बिकॉज वो 3 के टेबल में आते हैं. अंडरस्टूड? तो ऑल राइट गाइस, यस.
Sir, 11 and 17.
Okay, okay, Rida, what you are saying?
2 and 3.
2 and 3, yes.
Sir,
All right,
11
kids.
Sir, 11 and 17.
Okay, beta, okay. All right, that's all for today. Bye bye. Enjoy.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye, sir.
Bye bye, Osama bin Laden.